Why just tell a story when you can show it? Let's post your picture on Bluesky within a few simple steps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to post picture on Bluesky Social App. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Bluesky app icon on your device to launch the app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Create a Post button, usually represented by a pencil icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to start crafting your post. Once the post creation screen opens, you will see an image icon. Tap on it to open your gallery. Pick an image from your gallery. You can also add font, thoughtful or simple caption to go with your picture. Type your text in the caption box. This is optional but adds a personal touch to your photo. Once you are happy with your picture and caption, hit the post to share it with your followers. So this is how to post picture on Bluesky Social App. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.